Hey Devin, you asked me to help you with a problem, and this problem is combining like terms. So there's a few things you need to know for this problem. First, you need to know how to distribute properly with the parentheses. You need to know the order of operations. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing we would do is distribute the terms in front of the parentheses. One thing to remember is there's a negative sign right here, and you have to distribute that. That's almost as if there's a -1 times this quantity. So we have to be careful of that. So distribute that -1. Okay, so let's distribute. Well, we have 4x, that comes down, plus 2x times 2, that's 4x. And then 2x times minus 3x is minus 6x squared. Then again we distribute this -1. So -1 times -3, that's, so we'll do plus 3. And -1 times -x, that'll be plus x. And then we'll bring down that plus 4x squared. And now we can only combine terms that have the same coefficients. So we can only combine, so this has a coefficient, this is just 3, but we don't see any other whole numbers, so that'll stay the same. Then we see we have this 4x, and this x, so those can be combined. And then we have these x squared terms. We could make these a different color, or yeah. Actually don't know how to do that in here, so sorry. Oh, here, color. Okay, let's make these a different color. So we can combine the red ones, and let's make these x's a different color as well. Blue. And blue. Okay, so you see we can combine these terms with this and these terms together, and then this 3 will stay the same. So let's combine those terms. So we have 4x plus 4x, that's 8x, plus 1 more x, that will be 9x. And then we have this plus 3. Oh, sorry, this is all red. I'll make it black again. And then we combine this minus 6x squared and this plus 4x. So that's minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2x squared. And typically you order these things from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So we'll have minus 2x squared plus 9x plus 3. And this should be our final answer.